What's up everyone, Randall here from Go for Noobs, aka Golang for Beginners. Today we are talking about slices, a key data structure in Golang, and we're going to attempt to do it in 5 minutes. Alright everyone, in a previous episode we talked about arrays. Today we were talking about slices, a key data structure, very useful data structure in Go, and we're going to attempt to do it in 5 minutes. So let's get started. To begin with, we are going to declare a slice. Now slices are cool because you can use the make function to declare one. So basically we say make, and then in parentheses we have the square brackets, which indicates a slice or an array. So this is going to be a string of length 3. And when we do that, we're going to print that one out with print line. And when we run that, we get an empty string of 3 spaces. Now this make feature right here is used to create slices, maps, and channels. So one of the 3 things that can be used to create. Now we want to populate that. So basically how we can do that is we could say s at 0 is equal to, and notice here we just use the equal operator and not the short declaration operator. We would get an error if we had this semicolon there. But we're going to say this is equal to a. All right, if we run that and then we want to print that again, if we did that, we would get a blank blank. Well, instead of having another line that says S1, S2, what we could do is do it on the same line, saving us some space, making it easy to read. And once we do that, we have separated by commas on the left side. Then we want to separate by commas on the right side, make sure these strings are in quotation marks. And if we print that, we should have A, B, C. Now that we know how to declare slices, let's find some of the usefulness of slices. So let's make a second slice. Again, we're going to use the make function. We're going to make another string. And to make the length of it, because we're going to use a cool function called a copy function, we're going to use the length operator. So we're going to say the length of slice S will be the length of that. And then we're going to print it. And when we print it, boom, we have another string. Now let's copy, okay? So the cool thing about copy, about slices is you can copy one to another. So let's copy to slice C all the stuff from slice S. That's why we made it the same length. And then if we print that out, lo and behold, look at that. Slice C is the same as slice S. The next thing we're going to do is append to a slice. That means add to a slice. So basically, all we would need to do is we would say slice equals append, and then to the slice C, we're going to append E, and then we're going to print that out. And when we print that, what we get is ABCE, but we're missing D. So instead of doing a whole nother statement, we could just add it in here. We could put D, comma, E. We do that, and look at that, A, B, C, D, E. So now we're going to see one of the most powerful features of slices is actually slicing them up. I wonder where they got the name. Now, how we do that is we're going to just have a print statement. And so generally, if I wanted to find, like, let's say the letter C in slice C, this would be the 0, 1, 2, the second value there. So if I do C and in square brackets 2, I should get a return of C. Now, let's say I wanted to get all of the letters up to C. So let's say I wanted to get A, B, C. Well, one cool thing I could do is I could do 0 to 2, and I could run that. And when I do that, I only get A, B, because what happens with this semicolon here is it's up to but not including this second thing. So if I wanted A, B, C, I would have to do 0, comma, or semicolon 3. However, the cool thing is I don't actually need that 0 there. If I'm just doing from the beginning up until, I can just do semicolon 3. And then if I wanted from 3 until the end, I could just put that semicolon after. So simple as that. And that is how you slice slices, which is pretty awesome. So let's just give you a couple more examples just so you can see how this actually works. So we have C of 3, and then let's do C up until 3. And we'll have C from 3 until the end. And then we'll have C, and here's another cool one, from 1 to 3. No, we'll do 2 to 3. 2 to 4. We'll do 2 not including 4. So let's see the outputs of these. So if we take a look, if we print out C of 3, because this right here is the slice we're working with, this A, B, C, D, E, so 0, 1, 2, 3 is D. And then we have C up to but not including 3. So we know that 3 is D. It's up to 3 but not including, up to D but not including D. So we have A, B, C. Then we have 3 until the end. So this is including 3, which is D, to the end is D, E. And then this last one here, we have C of 2 and 3 but not including 4. So we have 0, 1, 2 is C. 3 is D, but not including 4. And so there you have slices, a pretty useful topic, very interesting, hopefully within 5 minutes. If you did enjoy that, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, comment down below. I will respond to it. Have a good one. Peace.